Hello my dear students of class 9, Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture we are going to learn another lesson, the role of women in the Pakistan women. So in the emergence of Pakistan, so there is the also contribution of women efforts and strive in the creation of Pakistan as well. In today's lesson we will understand how the women contribute in the independence of Pakistan and how the women participate in the speeches or how they travel or went through and motivated to their husbands, even their relative as well. So my dear students, the role of women in the independence of Pakistan is crucial. It's a very important role. So, however, the Pakistan was emerged on the map of the world on 14th August 1947. In this moment, women actively participated with men. So, before independence, the Hindus women were active and were clever and educated than the Muslim women. So then they take initiative to come out and to contribute in the struggle of Pakistan. My dear students, as at the beginning Hindus and Muslims worked together and founded a party named Indian National Congress in 1885. So what was the purpose of the Indian National Congress? To work together for the cause of both Muslim and Hindus. But for the passage of time, the Muslim thought or observed because the Hindus are working for themselves as well. So at last, the Muslims founded another party separate from the Hindus, All India Muslim League, in 1906. In 1906, the Muslims wanted to separate India. There are causes behind it. So what are the causes behind it? Because in the subcontinent, Muslims were the follower of the monotheism and Hindus were the follower of the polytheism. So because the Muslims believe in one God, however the Hindus believe in several gods. So it means there was the difference between the Hindus and Muslims. There was a religion, there was a cultural, and there was also political and also economical causes that dispage the Hindus and Muslim, or that separated, disunited the Hindus and Muslim for the struggle of the Pakistan and India as well. So my dear students, this was the brief history of how Pakistan emerged, why Pakistan wanted or Muslim wanted a separate independent state for the Muslim of India, and what parties at the beginning were founded. The parties were at the beginning were founded Indian National Congress. Then after Muslim founded a separate party for All India Muslim League in 1906. So in this party, women also actively participated. They also attended meetings. They also delivered lectures on different occasions. They also motivated from home and from motivated their husband for the cause of the independence. So what were the women that participated mostly or that have the main or crucial role in the Pakistan movement? So I am going to share you a few and most prominent names of the women whose role is important in the independence of Pakistan as well. Most prominent my dear students, role was the BMA. There was the mother of Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali. So she was a brave woman. She also encouraged them not to surrender, not to give up for the cause of the Pakistan movement. But she also encouraged them, if you are in prison and you have to fight for a separate state for the Muslim of India. Another name was Fatima Jinnah. That is called Madre Millat, mother of the nation. And third one is Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. Okay, she was a country secretary of the Muslims of All India Muslim League. So my dear students, these were the roles how women participated in the for the cause of the independence of Pakistan as well. So these women also participated in Punjab, Sindh, KPK, even in all across the parts of the subcontinent. Okay. So the meetings were also first public meeting of women in Sindh was held in Karachi Zoological Garden. So because these were the women whose is also participation in the independence of Pakistan. So there were also other women who was actively participate in the independence or in the emergence of Pakistan's dear students. So these were the introduction, or this was the history how the Muslims strive for the creation of Pakistan. The male as well as female women also participated or gave hand to hand in the creation of Pakistan as well. So my dear students, this is a general description about the women's role of women in the Pakistan movement. So here the difficult words organize, arrange, achievement means success, imprison means to jail somebody, release. Okay, interview, accomplish, achieve, information means knowledge, struggle means effort, active. Okay, so means it's active role. So here comprehension answer who was BMA, while she remembered till today. BMA, as I told you, that the mother of Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali. Why is she remembered till today? She is remembered till today because she not only encouraged them and also forbade them not to give up for the cause of independence as well. How did the Muslim women work for independence? This is a very important. So because the lesson is based upon the role of women in the independence of Pakistan. They also actively participated, joining the All Indian Muslim League. Okay, they worked for the better independence of Pakistan as well. Okay, they also attended meetings and conference. Okay, and large crowd. They also encouraged their husbands, even relative, and to come out and fight for the struggle of Pakistan as well. Why was Miss Fatima Jinnah called Madre Millat? So Miss Fatima Jinnah called Madre Millat, okay, because she also helped the Qaides of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the creation of Pakistan as well. What is the meaning of the Madre Millat? The meaning of the Madre Millat means mother of the nation. In Sindh, where did the first meeting of women took place? In Sindh, in the Zoological Garden, the first meeting of the women took place means kept. So this was the lesson, and these were the question to answer to these questions also. So now this is a homework for you. Tell in 5 sentences what you know about the Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. Write in your own words a paragraph on women's role in the independent Pakistan. Okay, these are the composition you have to write on these questions as well. So you have to write, my dear students, on the role of women in the independence or creation of Pakistan. This is homework for you. And then next lecture we will also solve the exercise as well. Thank you, my dear students.